Easy Fascinator tutorial. You will need 3 pieces of cinema strips 60 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 15 centimeters, scissors, comb clip, pegs, glue gun. Take your first strip and fold in half, then make a figure of H shape as shown. Secure with a peg. Do the same with your second strip. You can buy ready-made cinema strips online. Using your hot glue gun, apply a pea-size amount of glue and glue one shape holding it together as shown. Do the same with the second strip. Add a bead of glue to the larger shape, then place the smaller shape on top to form your design as shown. Hold securely in place. Keep it neat. Take the last strip, shape in a circle as shown, secure on your fascinator using a pea size of glue. I have chosen to add a diamond piece on my fascinator to jazz it up. You can do the same. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Add a strip of glue to the back of your piece. Add your comb clip. All done.